Hi, I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to cook spinach, onions, and mushrooms in a pan. Spinach cooks very, very quickly, so whatever you're cooking with your spinach, it's a good idea to have it fully cooked before you add the spinach to the pan. Here I have a pan with a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. It's already reasonably hot, shouldn't be too hot. Here's the onion. I cut it in kind of big pieces because I like onion. I don't feel like I have to disguise it. I have some sliced mushrooms. These are generic button mushrooms, but this is particularly nice if you use a fancier mushroom like chanterelles or morels. Gonna add just a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. And you know that the onions and the mushrooms are ready when the onion becomes a little bit translucent, kind of changes color, and then the mushrooms are going to release their juice. So there will be a little bit of liquid in the pan after about a minute or two. The mushrooms change color too. And then I'm just going to add some cleaned spinach and mix it all up together. Now the onions and the mushrooms are in the pan, they're nice and hot, and they're cooking the spinach as much as the pan is cooking the spinach, because it really doesn't take very much at all to cook spinach. And you're just tossing it until the spinach becomes a rich dark green color and wilts a little bit. And there you have spinach, onions, and mushrooms.